Today is a day of celebration, a day of happiness, friendship, and love. From the whole community and all around Locals Farm, this one is for you, little butterfly. No! Everybody clap your hands! It's birthday time! The morning sun is shining bright, butterflies are taking flight, flowers dancing in the breeze, birthday wishes through the trees. Little butterfly, today's your day. We came together just to say, may every dream inside your heart keep growing stronger from the start. From every friend both far and near, we're sending happiness and cheer. Another year, another chance to laugh, to love, to sing and dance. Happy birthday, little butterfly. Spread those wings and touch the sky. Dance today and sing out loud. Feel the love from this whole crowd. Happy birthday, this is your day. May love and blessings come your way. Today, tomorrow, all year through. May every day be special too. Down at Locals Farm today, even the animals came out to play. The chickens cluck, the goats all cheer. Little butterfly's birthday is here. The cows are dancing by the gate. The whole farm came to celebrate. The tractors are rolling, music's loud. Birthday joy is in the crowd. Bring that giant birthday cake, biggest one that we can make. Candles glowing, wishes bright. We're gonna celebrate tonight. Butterfly, butterfly, spread your wings and fly. Butterfly, reach up to the sky. Clap, clap, turn around. Birthday love is all around. Sing it high, sing it strong. Everybody join the song. Happy birthday, little butterfly. Spread those wings and touch the sky. Dance today and sing out loud. Feel the love from this whole crowd. Happy birthday, this is your day. May love and blessings come your way. Today, tomorrow, all year through. May every day be special too. May your mornings bring you sunshine. May your evenings bring you peace. May your happiness keep growing. May your blessings never cease. May good friends walk beside you. May kindness guide you through. May beautiful memories fill your heart in everything you do. When the road gets long, keep going. When the stars come out, keep glowing. Keep believing, keep achieving. Keep that beautiful spirit showing. This birthday isn't just one day. We wish you joy along the way. For many, many years to come, may your life stay filled with love. One little butterfly can brighten the sky. One loving heart can lift us high. One beautiful smile can change someone's day. So keep spreading kindness along the way. May this birthday open the door to beautiful moments and so much more. New memories, laughter, dreams coming true, and a community standing beside you. Now turn it up, Locals Farm. Are you ready? Community, are you ready? Are you ready? Animals, are you ready? Little butterfly, this is your party. says clap your hands, it's Little Butterfly's special day. From locals farm to friends around the world, today we celebrate you. The morning sun begins to shine. Today your heart is gonna fly. Butterflies dance through the sky, bringing birthday wishes way up high. Every flower blooms with grace. Joy and love light up this place. Smiles are shining everywhere. Happiness is in the air. You share kindness everywhere you go. Helping hearts continue to grow. Today the whole community sings, celebrating all the joy you bring. Lift your hands, laugh out loud, celebrate with every crowd. Today's your day to smile and see how much you truly mean to me. Happy birthday, little butterfly. Spread your beautiful wings and fly. May your dreams keep reaching high like butterflies across the sky. Happy birthday, we all say. May love surround you every day. Here's to laughter, joy, and cheer, and blessings throughout the year. Oh yeah. Down at Locals Farm today, everyone has come to play. The cows are mooing soft and sweet. The chickens dance upon their feet. Goats are jumping everywhere. Piglets rolling without a care. Fresh eggs waiting in the coop. Breakfast cooking, what a group. The butterflies begin to glide. Around the pond they softly ride. Flowers bloom in every row, making all the gardens glow. Happy birthday, little butterfly. Spread your beautiful wings and fly. Today the whole world celebrates, opening love's amazing gates. Happy birthday, sing along. Every heart becomes this song. Friends together, side by side, celebrating you with pride. Woo! The biggest birthday cake is here, covered in candles bright and clear. Purple frosting, flowers too. Every slice was made for you. Children laughing, music plays, dancing through this joyful day. Neighbors smiling hand in hand, the happiest party in the land. Local smiles and waves hello, watching happiness continue to grow. Everyone is gathered near, celebrating another beautiful year. Life is made of moments shared, showing others that we care. A helping hand, a friendly smile, can brighten someone's day a while. May your journey always shine, filled with hope and peace divine. Keep believing, keep your light. Your future's beautiful and bright. Come on, everybody! Clap your hands, turn around, jump up high, wave your hands into the sky. Butterflies are everywhere, love is floating through the air. Dance, laugh, celebrate. Today's a day that's simply great. May your mornings bring you peace. May your happiness increase. May your heart forever know just how much your kindness grows. May your family always smile, walking every joyful mile. May your dreams continue to, every single one come true. May tomorrow shine as bright as this birthday filled with light. Every season, every year, bring more blessings drawing near. Happy birthday, little butterfly. Keep your dreams up in the sky. Dance with joy and laugh today. May happiness come your way. Happy birthday from us all, standing proud and standing tall. Here's to friend at Locals Farm, from every caring heart that's warm. We wish you joy, we wish you peace, we wish you laughter that never ends. We wish you love that grows stronger every year. Happy birthday, little butterfly. May today and every birthday that follows be filled with beautiful memories, endless smiles, wonderful friends, good health, laughter, and love. Here's to another amazing year of spreading kindness, inspiring others, and soaring higher